Yeah. Not nice.
On the Children's Heart Ward at Leeds General Infirmary, families and staff have much to celebrate. Jamie Lee Hawkes had surgery last week. She's blind and likely to need further operations on her heart in future. But her mum had feared closure of the unit would mean a long and potentially dangerous journey to Newcastle. She's overwhelmed that the unit survives for now.
My little girl, she's got so many heart problems. They've told us eventually she will turn blue. I'm just thinking that I've got to be 4.5 miles away, well, 4.5 hours journey away from my family with no support is absolutely devastating. I've got my trust in the staff, I've got my trust in the surgeon. That just means everything.
It means that much to you?
Yeah. They've saved my daughter's life.
The NHS had wanted to cut the number of hospitals doing children's heart surgery from 11 to 7. Leeds lost out in a controversial review that the High Court ruled was flawed and unfair. Surgeons at the hospital feel vindicated.
We don't want to make this into Leeds or Newcastle. I don't see why there can't be Leeds and Newcastle. The people in Newcastle want the service, that's fine. It's safe, it's sustainable. The people in Yorkshire want a service here. Why can't they have it? 600,000 people signed a petition to keep the service here, the biggest petition ever. You can't ignore that.
The ruling could also save heart units at the Royal Brompton Hospital in London and the Glenfield in Leicester. The review so far has taken almost 4 years, cost millions of pounds and led to the NHS fighting itself in court. The judge will decide at the end of the month whether the entire review of children's heart services should now be rerun from the very beginning, or whether the NHS should simply look again at the case for keeping services open in Leeds. There could then be an appeal. The NHS body that led the heart review said it was disappointed with the ruling and warned the delay was a setback in improving the care of sick children.
We need larger but fewer centres concentrating the expertise so people can work in teams to make sure that we really deliver the highest quality care possible.
The same arguments are being used to justify closures of A&E departments and maternity units, often against the wishes of local people. The heart unit in Leeds isn't safe yet, but the families now have hope.